Austria is a beautiful country located in the heart of Europe, known for its stunning landscapes, historic cities, and rich cultural heritage. Here are some travel tips for exploring Austria.
Vienna. Start your journey in the capital city, Vienna. Explore its imperial palace, including Schönbrunn Palace and the Hofburg Palace. Don't miss a visit to the Vienna State Opera and St. Stephan. Salzburg. Visit Salzburg, the birthplace of Mozart and the setting for The Sound of Music. Explore the historic Old Town, Altstadt, Mirabell Palace, and Hohensalzburg Castle. Innsbruck. Head to the charming city of Innsbruck, surrounded by the Austrian Alps. Enjoy outdoor activities like hiking, skiing, and snowboarding in the nearby mountains. Salzkammergut. Discover the stunning lakes and landscapes of the Salzkammergut region, including Lake Wolfgang, Hallstatt, and Lake Bled, located just across the border in Slovenia. Graz. Explore Graz, a UNESCO World Heritage City with a well-preserved historic center. Visit the Schloss Eggenberg Palace and the futuristic Kunsthaus Graz. Austrian cuisine. Sample traditional Austrian dishes like Wiener Schnitzel, Zahortorte, chocolate cake, and Apfelstrudel, apple strudel. Don't forget to try the local wines. Outdoor adventures. Austria is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Enjoy hiking, skiing, snowboarding, and cycling in the Austrian Alps during different seasons. Museums and culture. Austria is home to numerous museums and cultural institutions. Explore the Belvedere Palace, Kunsthistorisches Museum, Museum of Art History, and more. Danube River. Take a cruise or bike along the scenic Danube River, passing through picturesque towns and vineyards. Public transportation. Austria has an official public transportation system, including trains and trams. Consider getting an Austria card for unlimited travel on public transport. Language. The official language is German, but English is widely spoken in tourist areas. Safety. Austria is generally a safe country for travelers, but it's always a good idea to be aware of your surroundings and take normal safety precautions. Remember to check the latest travel advisories and entry requirements, especially in light of any current global situations, before planning your trip to Austria. Enjoy your travels.